Today let us have a look on a bulk modulus. Here bulk modulus is defined as the hydraulic stress upon volumetric strain. See, if you take a balloon and if you dip it into the water, see the force is applied on the balloon around it, not only in one side but all around the balloon. The force pressure will act on the balloon. So due to that, the balloon a little bit its volume changes. So you consider a part of water. Initially you consider a balloon. So it is having some volume V1 and some pressure is acting on the balloon, that is P1. Now if the same balloon is immersed or dipped into the water, what happens to the balloon is, due to the application of pressure, the volume of the balloon changes to V2. See here, initially there is some pressure on the balloon while it is outside. That pressure is atmospheric pressure, and when it is dipped into the water, so water exerts some force or pressure on the balloon. So due to that pressure, the volume of the balloon changes. So the volume of the balloon is delta V, and here due to the application of the pressure delta P, change in pressure, the volume is delta V, change in volume. See, initially you consider the balloon, upon the balloon 80 pascals of pressure is acting, that is atmospheric pressure you consider it. When you are dipping into the water, the pressure is 100 pascals. So what is the change of pressure here? 20 pascals. Overall 100 pascal is acting on the balloon in water, but already at outside there is 80 pascals of pressure acting on the balloon. So the change in pressure is 20 pascals. So here, coming to the bulk modulus, here a force, stress is acting on the balloon. So what type of stress is it? Hydraulic stress. Hydraulic stress is acting on the balloon. So it is nothing but force upon unit area. So here force is acting everywhere on the balloon. So directly you consider here as pressure, and here one more thing, change in pressure. Change in pressure is there is change in pressure. Why? Because at outside also there is some pressure acting on the balloon, while dipping into the water also there is pressure. So we are taking as delta P. And coming to the volumetric stress, the strain acting on the balloon is volumetric strain. What is the strain? Initially it is having some volume V. After dipping into the water, it is changing its volume. So change in volume upon the original volume. So that is the volumetric strain. And here, according to Hooke's law, if you consider Hooke's law states that the stress is directly proportional to strain. Stress is directly proportional to strain. What type of stress is acting on the balloon? Hydraulic stress. So hydraulic stress is directly proportional to volumetric strain. Hydraulic stress is directly proportional to volumetric strain. So to make it equal, so hydraulic stress is equal to, here we have to bring one constant. That constant is bulk modulus V into volumetric strain. And here bulk modulus B equal to bulk modulus B equal to hydraulic stress upon volumetric strain. So what is hydraulic stress? Change in pressure upon change in volume. Volumetric strain is change in volume upon volume. So delta P by delta V upon V. So this is bulk modulus, and here we already know that pressure and volume are constant. According to Boyle's law, pressure and volume are constant. So first you differentiate this. What we will get is pressure is constant, and differentiate the volume. So delta V, P delta V plus, now differentiate pressure delta P V. V constant here. Here P is constant. We differentiated volume. Here we differentiated pressure, and V volume is constant. That is equal to differentiation of K. It is constant now, so 0. And now here we can write this as P delta V is equal to delta P V, or this can be written as pressure P equal to delta P V upon delta V, or this can be written as delta P by delta V upon V. So here this is the pressure. According to the Boyle's law, we have derived this pressure P equal to delta P by delta V upon V, and here we got that bulk modulus B equal to delta P by delta V by V. So simply we can say that the bulk modulus is nothing but the pressure acting upon the object, or the pressure acting upon the balloon. So bulk modulus can be is nothing but the pressure acting around the balloon. This is all about bulk modulus. Bulk modulus is defined as hydraulic stress upon volumetric strain. Thank you.